Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the LOLYKITCH wok and saucepan. It's the 13-inch and it comes with a lid.
This pan is so versatile. I also have the 12-inch, as you can see in the background. I really like this brand. It's definitely high quality stainless steel. Here I'm cooking up some sausages and they cook up really fast because it heats evenly and heats quickly. And those high sides of the wok prevent all the oil from splattering everywhere in the kitchen. And the handles are also cool touch handles. I was able to pick up and adjust the saucepan with the handles because they stayed completely cool while I was cooking. It's also great because you can put this whole wok into the oven, which is one of the things that makes this pan so versatile. So you don't need to have a really heavy cast iron pan to be able to use it on the cooktop and then transfer it to your oven. You can just use this nice, lightweight, high quality stainless steel pan. It comes with this fantastic glass and stainless steel lid that has a steam escape and also has a cool touch handle so you can lift it while it's cooking without burning your hand. And it's really easy to clean up. Just use soap and a sponge and you get it back to looking brand new.
This 3-ply stainless steel wok is great for your kitchen. It is really well made. It works great for me, and I love that it's got a lid and that you can put it in the oven. Those are really great features for a saucepan. So I highly recommend you check it out, but that's just my point of view.